Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, the Op Zone. And today we're going to be continuing from where we left off on supporting my son's PC GPU sagging issue. So we had a lot of problems with, not a lot of problems, but I did notice some sagging in the GPU because of the weight. It is a EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 for the win. So we got that inside my son's PC. I think I'm gonna put it up in a link below, somewhere up there for you guys, so you guys can check it out. Or maybe I'll put a link down below, or just wait to the end of the video to see that video if you like. But so back to what I was talking about. I was trying to find a GPU bracket to help support the weight of the GPU. So there's like a little slant of the GPU, so I tried to find one. I found one with a little bit of RGB addressable. I tried my best to mount it, support it under the GPU, and I was having no luck, none whatsoever. I mean, it was looking stupid. I will mount it to the bracket on the PC, but then it was just turned. It was weird. It just wasn't, and the support rubber thingamajig just wasn't working out. So I just scrapped it and looked online, and I think I found something. So hopefully what I found will work. So I want to get on. So if it does work, you guys can see it for yourselves and maybe push you guys for a purchase on Amazon. Let me see. Maybe I can show it to you right here. So this is it comes like a little box. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. It's called Gametel. Oh, Gametel. It's called Gametel. Some weird name. We'll put it at an angle so you don't be so crazy. Yeah, Gametel. So got it from Amazon, and it says on the box, I don't know, it looks kind of crooked on my end. Hopefully it looks straight to you guys. It's called, what it says. There you go. Yeah, graphics card. You know, so hopefully this will work. So let's go over to the table and see if we can get this thing set up under the GPU and fix that sag. Let's go. All right, guys. So here we are with the bracket. I don't even know why they call it support bracket. As you can see, little details of it. Little details. It don't look like a bracket. I'd rather call this a small pillar or something. I wouldn't call it a bracket. So again, Gametel. All right. So let's get this thing open and see if it works. Let's see how it feels in the hand. All right. Ooh. Oh, it's light. Metal. Oh, let's see. Oh, metal, huh? Let's see. So, let's see. Oh yeah, definitely metal. Definitely metal. Oh, that was Goliath. All right, so you have I feel like a little silicone. I feel like a little rubber silicone feel on the top. Then you have a texture strip here. I guess help with gripping it while you winding down through the threads. As you can see, right? Does this tighten up? What happens here? So I guess you could. How would this work? Maybe you tighten this up. I don't know. It still spins. But let's see how it. But this is it. Let's see how far. Do I got a measuring tape? Oh, I'm gonna measure for you guys how long this could get out to, and then post it. I think on the box it tells you. It just says 80 by 14. You guys see that? 18 by 14 by 14 millimeter. Right. Maybe I should test that later for you guys, so you guys look at it. It looks pretty long. It looks like it's getting there. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this is it, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to push it down as hard as I can. It ain't going nowhere. Look like there's like a little adhesive. What is this? A little rubber grip. Oh yeah, it's adhesive. So see that? It helps stick at the base of the computer case. So maybe I'll probably use that. So this is it in a nutshell. It's all metal or aluminum. It's probably aluminum. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's metal. Don't say. Very light. It's very light in hand. Let me see what happens if you're. Oh, so this is what happens when you take it apart. You have a hollow cylinder, right? And then you have this right here to itself. So far, it's very interesting. And plus, when I first saw this, well, let's just say it comes in black and in this color. I would just call it silver. I was going through all kinds of brackets online, and there's one that goes across the GPU underneath and holds it up with some RGB. Some are plain, some are thick, some are thin. But then when I saw this, it looks so simplistic, very simple. It's thin, I think and the color actually matches kind of the scheme of the my son's motherboard, the Taichi X570. Is that? I think there's peel in there. There's one piece of peel. Oh, we'll probably take that out together, guys. So anyway, this is it. Graphics card goes up here. So you guys can see that. So graphics card goes on top of here. This sits at the base of the computer case. Okay. Let's try it now. Alright, so here we are with all his guts and glory. Let's take out the screws to take out the panel. Always be careful with this, guys. Always be careful with the glass. Alright, so let's see how this works out. Maybe I could show you guys how crooked it is. There you go. Now you guys can see. Yeah, I saw that. That's how you know. What you guys thought I was going to do? I was going to level it? No. I'm not leveling shit. I am going to use this cylinder and see how far it goes. There you go, guys. It's severe. So what I'm going to do, I'm trying. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Oh my God, a huge difference, guys, already. In fact, wow. Oh, can you guys see that? I'm gonna try to get you guys a little closer. Hold on. All right, here we are. As a very close up shot. Let's see. So, like I said, you put this bad boy there, it's gonna go right. All right. So when I first put it in, guys, I didn't even have to screw all the way out. I mean, can you see from it? Yeah, you can see that. So look at this. Look, mind you, it's not even all. It's still at the top. So slide that in there, guys. Huge difference. Huge difference. Huge difference. Let me see if I get a little lighter in the back for you guys. Alright. So look at this, guys. Look at this. So I'm going to stick it underneath and you see it rise. I'm going to leave it right there. If that don't look straight to you guys, I don't know what is. But this thing right here, oh, I love it. I'm gonna slowly remove it. Jesus. What a dip, huh? What a dip. Right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to take off the adhesive. Hopefully it's strong enough. Alright. The adhesive is exposed. And this is so I'm gonna try and get it leveled. See how it works out. I gotta make sure that it's straight on. Let me see, that's a good place. I wanna make sure I'm in flat. It's flat. This thing got so much curve. That's one thing, but it's GPUs. Everything right there is good. Yeah. I hope it holds. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah, there you go, guys. It's in. Yeah. Let's do a shake test. So far so good, huh? Oops. 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 Oh, that's good. Oops. Oh, there you go, guys. It ain't going nowhere. Yes, let's go. I mean, I'm not gonna plug it in now. I'm gonna leave it unplugged. Let me unplug it. I'm leave it unplugged. Like I said, guys, my son is in the chopping house. Not doing too hot in school, but so far it looks promising. So hopefully he get back his computer. But since I had the computer, I just figured, I'd get a couple things done with it, just to make sure that when he does get it, I don't have to constantly keep checking on it and going back in there. But this is pretty good. It looks like it's sitting good. Let me see. Look, I put a little pressure on it. Try that at home. Yeah, I like it. Guys, this gets a thumbs up from me. Yes, you guys saw it here. If you guys are interested in this little piece, again, I never said it before, but I am nowhere sponsored by this thing. I just happen to see it online. I want you to give it a try. It's very simplistic. It matches some of the aesthetics of the motherboard. I just noticed a little peel in here. Oh, wait, I could just turn it on. Maybe something on the computer. There we go. So there you go. So you got the little gray brush over here. Some little gray accents here and there. With the sticks, G skill sticks. So yeah, it actually blends in pretty good. So I am happy with this so far. So let me just also show you that it's actually leveled. There's a little battery. It's not going nowhere. So this is a awesome little, I would call it like a column or something, because they call it a bracket, but obviously this does nothing. This is no shape or form of a bracket. You understand? So I'll just call this a column. Alright. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. If you guys like what y'all see, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. And if you guys enjoy, until the next one, thank you for watching. This is the Op Zone.